Layer 1, it's the physical. Cables and the light so critical. Signals flow, that's the start. Binary pulses playing their part. Layer 2, it's the data link. MAC addresses make you think. Frames are sent, switched with care, keeping the network up and fair. Let's climb the stack layer by layer. OSI Groove will take you there. 7 steps to connect the world. Network dreams are now unfurled. Layer 3, it's the Devers time. Routing packets on their climb. IP addresses find their way. Hop by hop, they'll never stray. Layer 4, it's the transport's row. TCP control the flow. Packets ordered, ports aligned. Reliable service every time. Let's climb the stack layer by layer. OSI Groove will take you there. 7 steps to connect the world. Network dreams are now unfurled. Layer 5, it's the session's turn. Keeping tracks of data's burn. Connections managed, sync just right. Session layer keeps it tight. Layer 6 at the presentation. Translates data, no frustration. Encryption formats also clear. Decode the message, bring it near. Layer 7, it's the application, where users find communication. Emails, chats, websites too. The OSI stack is working for you. Let's climb the stack layer by layer. OSI Groove will take you there. 7 steps to connect the world. Network dreams are now unfurled. From cables deep to apps that shine, the OSI Groove will blow your mind. So when you surf or send a file, think of OSI and smile. Layer by layer, it makes it true. The network's magic is all for you. OSI Groove, we're feeling fine. Network layers, the beat divine. Let's climb the stack layer.